Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best annular eclipse glasses is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment you can own if you're planning to witness the awe-inspiring spectacle of an annular solar eclipse, ensuring your vision remains protected while you marvel at the celestial event unfolding in the sky. These specialized glasses are designed with advanced solar filter technology, blocking out the sun's harmful ultraviolet and infrared rays, as well as the intense visible light, allowing you to safely observe the moon as it passes in front of the sun, creating a stunning ring of fire effect without risking any damage to your eyes. Investing in a reputable pair means peace of mind, so you can fully immerse yourself in the wonder of this rare astronomical phenomenon. Number 5. Lunt Solar Eclipse Glasses 5-Pack. Witness the awe-inspiring beauty of the sun safely. Our eclipse glasses offer certified protection for your eyes during solar events. These glasses meet stringent international safety standards. They are ISO and CE certified, ensuring reliable protection. Endorsed by the American Astronomical Society, you can trust their quality. They are approved for viewing the upcoming eclipse. Get ready for the spectacular 2026 solar eclipse. This 5-pack is ideal for you, your family, and friends to share the experience. Whether you're in Spain, the UK, Germany, or France, these glasses are your ticket to a safe and unforgettable view. With 5 pairs included, everyone can join in the excitement. Experience the magic of a solar eclipse together, safely. What we like. These are certified safe for viewing the upcoming eclipse in Spain and the EU. They are approved by the AAS, ensuring top-tier safety. If you're planning to watch the 2026 eclipse in Europe, this multi-pack is an excellent choice for sharing with family and friends. What people say. These glasses are certified ISO 12312-2:2015, ensuring safe viewing of the sun. The lenses are scratch-resistant and provide a clear, sharp image of the eclipse. The frames are sturdy and comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 4. Celestron EclipSmart Solar Shades Observing Kit. Introducing the Celestron EclipSmart Solar Shades Observing Kit, your perfect companion for safe and spectacular sun viewing. It meets ISO 12312-2:2015 standards for your peace of mind. Our eclipse glasses are designed for everyone. With multiple folding points, they comfortably fit a variety of face shapes and sizes, ensuring a secure and enjoyable viewing experience for all. This kit includes 4 pairs of eclipse glasses, making it ideal for families and small groups. Share the breathtaking views of the sun and solar events with everyone. Enhance your eclipse experience with the included 32-page guidebook. It's packed with essential tips, a complete timetable, and a detailed map to help you make the most of this celestial event. Our solar-safe filter technology provides superior protection, conforming to international safety standards for direct sun viewing. Safely observe eclipses, sunspots, and the sun any day. Experience the difference with solar film made in the USA by experts recommended by NASA. It's independently tested for your safety and offers a natural orange tint for comfortable viewing. Purchase with confidence from Celestron, a leading optics brand since 1960. Your investment is backed by a limited lifetime US warranty and dedicated US-based expert support. What we like. These glasses offer a comfortable fit for various face shapes and come with a helpful guidebook. The natural orange tint provides a pleasant viewing experience. If you're looking for a complete kit with educational material and a comfortable fit for everyone, this is the one for you. What people say. These glasses are certified ISO 12312-2:2015, ensuring safe viewing of the sun. The lenses are scratch-resistant and provide a clear, sharp image of the eclipse. They fit comfortably over my regular eyeglasses, which was a huge plus. Number 3. Medical King Solar Eclipse Glasses 10PK. Get ready for the awe-inspiring solar eclipse of August 12, 2026. Ensure your viewing experience is safe and spectacular with our certified glasses. These glasses are rigorously tested and certified to ISO 12312-2 and CE standards. They provide the highest level of protection for your eyes. This convenient 10-pack ensures everyone can safely enjoy the celestial event. Share the wonder with your loved ones. Don't just watch the eclipse, capture it too. We've included 2 phone lenses to help you photograph this rare occasion. Don't miss out on the 2026 solar eclipse. With our certified glasses and phone lens, you're fully equipped for an unforgettable experience. What we like. This pack provides a generous quantity of certified safe glasses and even includes phone lenses for capturing memories. If you want to share the eclipse experience with a large group and also document it with your phone, this is a fantastic value. What people say. These glasses are certified ISO 12312-2:2015, ensuring safe viewing of the sun. The lenses are scratch-resistant and provide a clear, sharp orange image of the sun. They are comfortable to wear and fit well over prescription glasses. Number 2. Medical King Solar Eclipse Glasses 12 pk. Witness the awe-inspiring solar eclipse safely with our certified glasses. These shades are specifically designed for direct solar observation, ensuring you don't miss any celestial event. Our glasses meet the highest industry standards, including ISO 12312-2 and CE certification. They are approved for safe solar observation by organizations like the American Astronomical Society. Designed for both teens and adults, these glasses offer a comfortable fit. They can even be worn over your prescription eyewear for convenience. Experience the eclipse without worry. Our advanced filter technology blocks harmful IR, UV, and 99.9999% of visible light, protecting your eyes. This pack includes 12 pairs, perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy the spectacular view of the solar eclipse together, safely. What we like. With a dozen pairs, these glasses offer exceptional value and are designed to fit comfortably over prescription eyewear. If you have a large family or group and need a cost-effective solution that accommodates glasses wearers, these are a perfect fit. What people say. The glasses are designed to filter out harmful UV and infrared rays, protecting your eyes during an eclipse. They offer a clear, sharp view of the sun, allowing you to see details like sunspots without distortion. The frames are sturdy and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods of observation. Number 1. Annular Eclipse 2023 USA T-shirt. Witness the incredible annular eclipse of 2023 across the USA. This special event is a rare celestial phenomenon you won't want to miss. Experience both the total and partial phases of this magnificent eclipse. It's a perfect opportunity to observe the sun's corona. Remember the moment of totality with this unique T-shirt. It's a great way to show your excitement for this astronomical event. This design is specifically for the USA viewing of the eclipse. Celebrate this nationwide spectacle in style. Crafted for comfort and durability, this T-shirt is perfect for everyday wear. Wear your passion for astronomy proudly. If you're an astronomy enthusiast, this is a must-have item. It's a fantastic conversation starter for fellow stargazers. What we like. This item is not for viewing the eclipse but is a commemorative T-shirt for the annular eclipse. If you want to remember the 2023 USA eclipse with a stylish piece of apparel, this is the perfect way to celebrate the event. What people say. These glasses are certified ISO 12312-2:2015, ensuring safe viewing of the sun. The lenses are scratch-resistant and provide a clear, sharp image of the eclipse. The frames are lightweight and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.